thing is awesome. I gotta tell you, fellas, ain't nothing like a little hot lunch in the hot tent. Man, oh man. Oh yeah. I think spiked exactly right. The steak is perfect. And oh man, a little mushroom on there, a little blue cheese, a little thyme. Oh man. I can't even tell you how good that is. Wow. Man, that is so perfect. That's living high off the hog there, fellas. For sure. Man. That thing is perfect. There's a couple nice pieces of flat iron steak there with some thyme. and some mushrooms that were dried, some dried mushroom, rehydrating as it was broiling. And then right at the end, in the skillet, melt some blue cheese on top of it. Man, oh man, I can't even tell you. It ain't even right. I think it's so good, it's not even funny. Golly. Just want to tell you, I appreciate you joining me out here today for this video. Cooking a couple flat iron steaks in a hot tent. I wanted to try out this new MC Overland reflector that goes behind a wood stove or behind a fire to help reflect heat. It's an actual reflector because it is made out of aluminum. So it is shiny, it does reflect the heat. I'm sitting in here in a t-shirt. It's in the high 30s right now, and I'm in a t-shirt. So it works out really, really well. I do have a side vent open here because I can tell you, without it, I'd be cooking right now. This small hot tent stove from one Tigris, I think it's called the Tiger Roar, inside this one Tigris hot tent. Man, I'm telling you, for one person, this is like a Taj Mahal, no question about it. So this is a far cry from what we did the last video. Now we got all the luxuries, but all of it fits in the side-by-side, in the bed of the side-by-side with plenty of extra room. So it's not like we couldn't get this to where we were going to camp. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We got the Pathfinder bedroll in here, the new Pathfinder mattress that hasn't been released yet. We've got the new Pathfinder force blanket on there. That's going to be our bedding for the night tonight. We're going to go ahead and spend the night out here tonight and cook some more food later on. Maybe get some breakfast in the morning. Test this reflector tonight, see how it does. Temperature's supposed to get down about 27 tonight, so it'll be a good test for it. All right, guys, well, listen, I appreciate your views and I appreciate your support. And thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, for our business, for our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends. And I'll be back with another video as soon as I can, guys. Thanks.